Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Today our lecture is about how to lift a prefabricated beam by a tower crane. Okay, so it's a prefabricated beam. uh, its dimensions are, its length is 5 meter and its width is 1 meter and its thickness is 0.4 meter thickness. Okay, so similarly, like a previous problem, uh, first we find weight of this fabricated beam. The formula for weight is equal to volume into density. So volume for this beam is 5 multiplied by 1 into 0.4, and the density of a prefabricated is 25 kilonewton per meter cube. You can find its density on Google. Okay, so the final result is 50 kilonewton. Okay, it is the weight of this fabricated beam. So in our previous lecture we find the following things. First one is uh, G, that one weight. Okay, the second one is Z, which is spread angle, that is equal to 1 over cos beta, and the next is F. F means lifting load factor, that is 1.3 for tower crane and 1.4 for mobile crane. Okay, so Z, in our previous lecture we find Z by beta angle. So the beta angle is this angle is beta and this is alpha. So in our case, now there is no beta angle, means beta angle is 0. Beta is equal to 0 because it is vertically straight at 90 degree. So for a good lift we used a beam. That to maintain its angle at 90 degree. Okay, we used a beam. So the next step is how to that we used two number of slings, means two anchor points, and there are two slings used here. Okay, one one beam, here is a beam. Okay, so what should be the string material, or what should be the strength for strings? We have find its weight is 50 kilonewton, so you have to choose that kind of strings which can bear a load of 50 kilonewton and above. Okay, so our lifting load factor is 1.3 and two slings and one beam, and the angle is 90 degree, means 90 degree it means beta is equal to 0. So our spread angle is 1 over cos 0, which is equal to 1. Okay, our spread angle will be 1 degree. So we used this beam to maintain a 90 degree angle for a fabricated beam. Okay, so here is a plan to lift a prefabricated beam. And one thing more, you will use rough timber, oiled mold, to lift this prefabricated beam. Okay,